Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add contacts on WhatsApp web. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. In order to add a contact on WhatsApp web, it's not possible without a third-party application. So if you have no other option, basically if you don't have an option to add it with your iPhone or Android, you will need to go ahead and do this through the third party option. So first of all, so there will be no other option to add a new contact. So you will need to go ahead to your Google Chrome web store, Chrome web store. You can go ahead, just click right there on manage extensions and you will see it there. From here, you want to search for extension and you want to search for InTouch app, phone contacts and data saver. You want to add this extension to your Chrome. Now, once you will have InTouch app, you want to go ahead and have it on your phone too. So you will have this extension right there. You can go ahead and pin it. So once you will install it and you will be on web.whatsapp.com on desktop version, you will have an option right there in the left corner to add a new contact. As you can see, first of all, of course, you need to go ahead and log in. So make sure to do this. And so these are the steps you need to do. You first need to download it on your phone and then log in to your extension with your phone. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.